The world is changing, fast. In this rapidly evolving landscape, people are constantly seeking ways to adapt and thrive. The pace of life has accelerated, and with it, the need for guidance and expertise has never been more critical. People are looking for guidance. They want experts. They crave direction and clarity in a world that often feels overwhelming. Whether it's in their personal lives or professional careers, individuals are searching for mentors who can provide the insights and support they need to succeed. That's where you come in. Coaching is booming. It's about empowering others, helping them win. As a coach, you have the unique opportunity to make a profound impact on someone's life. By sharing your knowledge and experience, you can guide them towards achieving their goals and realizing their full potential. You have knowledge? Share it. Your expertise is invaluable. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone with a passion for helping others, your insights can be the catalyst for someone else's success. Don't underestimate the power of your knowledge. You have experience? Leverage it. Coaching is the future. Your experiences, both successes and failures, are rich with lessons that others can learn from. By leveraging your experience, you can provide real-world advice and strategies that can help others navigate their own journeys. There's a need for every kind of coach. No matter your background or area of expertise, there's someone out there who can benefit from your guidance. From business to health, relationships to personal development, the demand for coaching spans all aspects of life. Business, health, relationships, you name it. Every field has its own unique challenges and opportunities, and coaches are there to help navigate them. Whether you're helping someone build their career, improve their health, or strengthen their relationships, your role as a coach is vital. People are hungry to learn. They want to grow. This is your opportunity. The thirst for knowledge and self-improvement is stronger than ever. People are actively seeking out ways to better themselves, and as a coach, you can be the guide they need on their journey of growth. Step up and make a difference. The world needs coaches now more than ever. By stepping into this role, you have the chance to inspire, motivate, and transform lives. Embrace the opportunity to be a catalyst for change and make a lasting impact. Don't be everything to everyone. It won't work. Find your niche. In today's competitive world, trying to cater to everyone will only dilute your efforts and confuse your audience. Instead, focus on what makes you unique. What sets you apart from the rest? What are you passionate about? Passion fuels persistence. When you love what you do, it shows, and it becomes easier to stay committed even when challenges arise. What are you good at? Combine those. That's your sweet spot. Focus is key. Your strengths and passions together create a powerful combination that can drive your success. Think about your ideal client. Who are they? What are their problems? Understanding your target audience is crucial. The more you know about them, the better you can serve their needs. How can you help them? Get specific. Tailor your solutions to address their specific pain points. This not only builds trust but also positions you as an expert in your field. The more targeted you are, the better. A focused approach allows you to hone your skills and deliver exceptional value, making you indispensable to your clients. Your niche is your superpower. It's what makes you unique and valuable. Embrace it and let it guide your business decisions. It makes you stand out. In a crowded market, your niche is what will make you memorable and sought after. So, find your lane and own it. A business plan is your roadmap. It keeps you on track. Don't skip this step. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple. What are your goals? How will you reach them? Think about your pricing, your marketing, your operations. Put it all down on paper. A business plan is a living document. Review it, adjust it as you go. Section 4, getting the word out. You have a great service. Now tell the world, marketing is key. It's not just about having a fantastic product or service, it's about making sure people know about it. The more people who know, the more potential customers you have. Social media is your friend. Use it. Create valuable content. Engage with your audience. Be consistent. Networking is huge. Go to events, connect with people, build relationships. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter are powerful tools. They allow you to reach a vast audience with minimal cost. Post regularly, share updates, and interact with your followers. The more you engage, the more loyal your audience becomes. Word of mouth is powerful. Don't underestimate it. Provide excellent service. When customers are happy, they talk about it. They share their experiences with friends, family, and colleagues. This organic promotion is invaluable. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials. Happy clients are your best ads. Their positive feedback can attract new customers. Always strive to exceed expectations. A delighted customer is more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to build your brand's reputation. Section 5, building your tribe. Your clients are your community. Treat them that way. Build relationships, provide value, go above and beyond, over-deliver every time. Ask for testimonials, referrals are gold. Reward loyalty, create a client experience that's unforgettable. Remember, it's about people. Connect with them, help them succeed. They'll be your biggest advocates.